Hello and good morning. My name is Shannon Cecilia. Welcome to A Creative Cauldron and A Flourishing Essence. I'm here this morning just to remind you of the amazing flash sale offer. That's right, a 30-minute reading for $25 US. This is through September 30th. Book and receive your session where there are a few spaces left for your convenience, and I look forward to chatting with you and sharing that insight and wisdom for the autumn cycle. So I'd also like to announce that in A Creative Cauldron, we have monthly master classes, and we have new moon and full moon wisdom circles. That's right, just for the members of A Creative Cauldron Facebook community. So if you haven't already, sign up for the beautiful free 19-minute guided meditation with the PDF download for a 7-day journal on resetting patterns. It's an amazing opportunity to work with me for free, essentially. And that's what our lovely community members receive in A Creative Cauldron. So I have some more details online for you. Feel free to connect with me on my socials and reach out to me through my website. I'm here for you. Send me a DM. Let's stir the cauldron, right? Let's stir that cauldron. Step into the creative flow of the universe and shine your inner magic out in the world. I'm here to support you. Let's get started today.